why, y'all, when I don't know something, but I know I could do it, I don't need to go to the internet. I go to the library. Check me out. So, any repair that you need done on any vehicle, dang there, it's a whole section. Whole section. Whatever you need to fix. Look, this whole thing. There's nothing you cannot do. It's all here. Heating and cooling. Transmission, service repair. That's a good one. That's that money maker. Transmission. Wheel alignment, front suspension, rear suspension, steering. Brakes, wheel alignment. Models 2000, 2001. But it goes all the way up though, y'all. It's all the same. Electrical. Whatever you need to figure out. They got the diagrams, everything. Look, it's here.